but it is approaching 60 kilometers an hour as everyone wants to take command here. The Intermarché Circus Wanty squad have put a rider onto the very, very front, but biniam girmay, as we arrive into the finishing barriers, the kite beckons, just 1,000 meters remaining. Nicely positioned for the DSM squad, but have they got the breakfast to hang on through as the Ineos squad just try and surf their way to the front here? Could it be that Tom Pidcock fancies his chances? No one wants to be on the right-hand side of the road where the wind is blowing. Everyone wants to come up on the left-hand side, and we see Peter Sagan in perfect and prime position. He's going to pick up on the lead-out train of the DSM squad as the launch comes on the left-hand side, and it's nicely timed. Opposite de Koeniger is the Groupama FDJ squad, and somewhere down there, Arnaud Demar waiting to unleash his trademark sprint. Caden Groves, and here comes Wout van Aert. Wout van Aert's going for a long one. Girmay up on the left-hand side, looks to time his run to perfection. And coming around the outside, who's going to be out? Girmay! Girmay looks in fine form. Can they get to him in time? It's Girmay that has time to lift his arms into light and announce his arrival. What about that?